Hi, Namaste. Welcome back to our channel. How are you people? Let me know in the comments. I'm quite good. So, as we are doing a series and a 27-day challenge, we have already decided the topic that we are going to do, right? What we have decided is that we are going to learn step-to-step guide on how to learn English for absolute beginners, right? So, in this video, we are going to continue the steps. In my previous video, I have told you the step 1 that you need to do as an English learner, right? I have also told you what you need to do. What are the topics that you need to touch regarding learning the English basics, because that is the first step. Learning super basics in English language is the first step that you need to do, right? So in this video, I am going to tell you how to learn the basics. Okay, so without any delay, let's get into the video. As we have discussed in our previous video, the first thing that you need to learn in the first step of learning basics is alphabet, sounds and pronunciation of English words. I have told you so many times that you need to focus on each and every alphabet sound and each and every word's pronunciation that you are uttering. Okay, if you are not able to utter the pronunciation of a word clearly, then the other person may not be able to understand you, or there are chances that they may be misunderstanding you also. So make sure that you are focusing on these two things compulsorily. Let us see how we can practice alphabet sounds. I am going to tell you 8 methods through which you can practice this alphabet sounds. Okay? The first method that you need to do is that you need to familiarize yourself with the English alphabets. You can do it with the alphabet sounds. Okay? You can know the sequence of the letters, and at the same time you would get the correct pronunciation of each and every letter while you listen to the alphabet song. Okay? In YouTube, you will get a number of alphabet songs. So, pick up one alphabet song in English and listen to that more frequently so that you will be habituated to that sounds. The second step that you need to do is that after familiarizing yourself with the alphabet sound, you need to make sure that you are practicing each and every letter. Okay, you need to practice each and every letter and try to make the exact sound that you are hearing. The third thing that you need to do is that you need to repeat as much times as possible. Repetition is really important, because the more times you repeat a particular letter, then you will be adapted to the pronunciation and adapted to the sound of that particular letter, and you will be able to produce that particular sound. So while doing repetition, make sure that you are repeating it loud. Okay, you need to repeat that particular letter loudly and clearly. The fourth thing that you need to do is that you need to make use of phonics apps and games. Okay, in Play Store there are a number of apps available in which you can practice pronunciation and practice phonetic sounds of a language in a very interactive way. So try to use any of the apps that you like and make sure that you are able to produce the exact sound by the end of your day. Make sure that you are having fun while using these apps, because if you stress yourself to do something, then you will not be able to put your 100%. So try to involve yourself and enjoy this process of learning. The next thing that you can do is use flashcards. Write alphabets and a number of words in flashcards. Pick up one of those and try to pronounce that particular word and make that particular sound. If you are able to do that, then it means that you have familiarized yourself with that particular sound, and you will be able to produce that particular sound whenever you want it. The next thing you need to do without fail is that you need to get habituated to read books. Okay, while you read books, you need to make sure that you are reading aloud. Pick up some simple books, simple kids stories books, or pick up some simple passages in the internet and try to read them aloud. While reading aloud, make sure that you are focusing on the pronunciation of the words, and not only that, try to emphasize on each and every letter of a word whenever you encounter it. The next thing that you can do if you want to improve your pronunciation is that listen. Okay, listen more to the native speakers and repeat after them. Try to practice shadowing method so that it will work as a catalyst to your pronunciation skills. If you want to pronounce the words in a correct way quickly, then try shadowing method or imitation method. That will be useful to you 100%. Okay, while you are listening, listen very keenly to the pronunciation of the words that the native speakers are doing. Okay, then you need to repeat it aloud. It will be very useful and an effective way to improve your pronunciation. The next thing you need to remember is that you need to practice daily. Okay, don't think that what is the use if I practice the sounds of each and every alphabet. Don't think that there is no need to concentrate and focus on the pronunciation of the words. Okay, it is really very important. Only if you focus on the correct pronunciation of the words right from the day one itself, then only it will be easy to you to master this English language and speak English fluently as soon as possible. So make a schedule and set time to yourself to practice English speaking daily. If you find out that you are not able to pronounce a particular sound or not able to pronounce a particular word correctly, then make sure that you are practicing again and again till you nail it. One thing you need to remember in this whole process is that you should not stress yourself. Don't take it as a burden. Try to make this learning journey enjoyable by incorporating apps, games, songs and activities that makes this whole process fun and enjoyable. That is all for this video. Meet you soon tomorrow. I hope you are going to note down each and every point and you are going to practice all those tips, make use of them because they are free of cost, right? If you are practicing consistently and if you are sincere in putting your efforts, there is no need to join any English coaching classes. So this is my opinion. If you agree with me, just click on the subscribe button. If you are new to my channel, please share the video and please be kind to like this video if you liked it. Thank you so much for joining me till then. See you soon in the next video.